Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Va.Gov account using ID.me. So creating this account is helpful because it lets you sign into Va.gov and access important VA services online. So this include using Ask VA, managing GI Bill benefits, and getting access to future online tools for education benefits. You may need like your social security number, your driver's license or passport, and access to your phone or email. So to begin, go to va.gov at the top right corner, select sign in, then choose the option to create an ID.me account, and after that, tap on create a wallet to continue. Now, enter the email addresses you want to use, then create a secure password. After that, ID.me will send a confirmation message to your email. So open your inbox, find the email from ID.me, and select confirm. So once this is done, the ID.me page should show you that your email has been confirmed. Next, you'll be asked to set up multi-factor authentication. So this adds extra security to your account. To choose the option that works best for you. Then follow the steps on the screen to complete it. After your account is secured, go back to va.gov or myva and sign in using ID.me. And from there, select verify your identity. And on the next screen, choose verify with ID.me. So this step helps VA confirm your identity before showing any personal information. So you may be asked to use your social security number and either upload a photo of your driver's license or passport or answer questions to confirm your identity. So choose the option that works best for you and follow the instructions. So once your identity is verified, your ID.me account is ready to use with va.gov. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.